Welcome to our room 1779 in the Marina Bay Sands Hotel in Singapore. Beautifully laid out room with a lot of cupboard space, slippers, other amenities down below. That's in the first closet. The second closet has a robe. We'll ask for another robe. Luggage racks, ironing board, iron, that type of thing. Moving into the main room, they have a bar set up for single sport slings, old fashions, Pellegrino, that type of thing. A very nice, comfortable looking king size bed. And then moving on around, we also have a very nice balcony. And this looks out over the harbor, and also later this evening, there will be a fireworks show out here this evening. So looking forward to that. You open up that window and you can definitely tell we're in a hot, humid climate. Wow. Closing up that door, which slides very, very smoothly. They have a coffee bar set up here with free water, coffees, that type of thing. Move around a very large TV. Overall, a lovely room. Marina Bay Sands Hotel, Singapore. Quick video tour of our bathroom in room 1778 in the Marina Bay Sands Hotel in Singapore. Open up the door, and normally the lid on the toilet rises. Decided not to do it this time. Never mind. Over here we have a very complete set of controls for the bidet in the toilet. Moving on, there is a shower room in this hotel with rainfall shower and also a wand shower. Very large space over here. Moving on, we have mouthwash, very nice amenities, a little dragon there. Very nice deep bath for nice long soak with all sorts of bath amenities, including bath bombs and things like that. For making for some very nice bubble baths, and a very nice terry cloth robe. That's our quick tour of our bathroom, room 1778 in the Marina Bay Sands Hotel, Singapore.